Ginetta has unveiled an all-new Le Mans racer, the G650 LMP1, and believes it stands a pretty good chance of outright success at the 24-hour classic if pre-season testing goes according to plan. The G60, whose name reflects the fact that it's 60 years since Ginetta began making cars, is a non-hybrid LMP1 design, created and built entirely in-house at Ginetta's Leeds factory. Unveiled today at the Racing Car Show in Birmingham's NEC, the G60 will battle the main class contender, the latest version of Toyota's hybrid TS050, for line honors at Le Mans in the second week of June. Last year the Toyota was fast early, but was soon dogged by unreliability. Ginetta boss Lawrence Tomlinson believes his new car has the speed to succeed. "Our figures tell us our car will be on the pace," he says. "We started designing it literally from a blank page, and we believe it'll be the only car with its carbon chassis and mechanical package specifically optimized for 2018. There will be no works G60s, cars will be campaigned by selected privateer teams." So far, Banbury-based TRS Manor has signed up to race two wet Ginettas, and Tomlinson is closing in on a deal with another team aimed at increasing his contingent of Le Mans cars to 4. Though its materials and design have been optimized for 2018, the Ginetta G60 is less mechanically complicated than the hybrid Toyota. Powered by a direct injection version of the Mechachrome Turbo V6 used in GP2 single-seaters, it has a unique gearbox casing designed for extra rigidity.